Alright, so how do we change speed for off-road use for your e-bike? Go to setup menu. For that we'll hold I, and then with I we'll go to number 8. So I 7 8. Once you're in the number 8, keep holding minus and it'll ask for your pin. Either you might have set up a pin or ask your provider for the pin. My pin number is 11. Now do remember, every pin is different based on every bike, so my pin may not work for yours. To move to next step, you use I and plus and minus to change the number. Next step would be I and then 2. And now you see that speed flashing. I can change it using plus and minus here. Let's say I want 32 and I'm happy with it. So to lock it, I go to the 32, and to confirm, you keep holding the I. Press and hold until it goes to main screen. And now to test it out, I'll just change the gear to the max, 5th, and let's see. Yep, 32. Perfect.